Hello guys, so we have an aloe vera here. Yes, aloe vera for our hair. And I'm going to show it later. You have to scrub it from of course, from the lids. So we are having in here. You have to put it in the blender. So let's see. Let's add a little water. Put it in a blender. And then let's and so we're going to put it in a basin. I'm sorry for the basin, it's an old basin. And so here we are, we have the blended fresh aloe vera from our plant. We're going to soak it our hair within at least a minute. So this is what you're going to do to make your hair more beautiful. And make sure that you had put it all over your hair and of course your scalp. Massage. So this is what you're going to do when you have a scalp problem and for your dry and frizzy hair. You can do it every day as you wish because this is herbal. So this is safe for you because it's fresh. So that's it. See the little cutie walking. See, that's it. And some others, they're going to soak their hair in a minute or in an hour, even as you wish, if you are not busy. So this is going to show you the result later. Yan, ang ganda. See, smooth na. And so I prefer doing this, putting a plastic bag on my hair after soaking it to aloe vera, because I wanted it to the effectiveness is more on it if you're going to do this before you're going to rinse it. You can even use shampoo, but for me, I am not gonna be using shampoo after I soak it to aloe vera. I will just rinse it with water. I'll show you later. Yeah, and I would like to tell you that aloe vera is also good to revitalize and nourishes your skin, so you can just use it on your face while having soap in your hair. Yeah, after a minute, this is now the moment of truth, and I'm going to show you how I rinse it, and I'm going to show you the result. So let's do it. See? Just rinse with water. See the texture? See? So that's the result of using. I can feel the smoothness. I just rinsed this one without using a shampoo. So you try it and you'll see the difference. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel and you're going to see more on how you're going to make your hair more beautiful, shiny, and it grows so fast. Healthy looking hair. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share, and push the notification bell. Thank you. And so this is the result of my hair after using aloe vera. I use it every now and then, and look at the difference. It's beautiful. Bye.